Good morning, class. Today we are going to read the third stanza of On Killing a Tree, your poem by Jeev Patel. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely, out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. Here, in this stanza, anchoring earth, it means trees are held securely with the help of the roots in the earth. Snapped out, it means chopped out. Here, the poet says that in order to kill the tree, it has to be uprooted. One has to separate the tree from the earth which supports it. The roots of the tree bind the trees with the soil in the pit of the earth. From there, the most sensitive and hidden part of the tree, the roots have to be detached. The roots are white in color and are damp. Like in the process of in the previous stanza we have read, the poet has discussed the various ways of killing the trees, but still the tree has managed to survive. So the poet comes up with the another idea. Poet is trying to give ideas how to kill the tree. It means how to kill the bad habits from us, how to kill the bad things from us. Now here, the actual strength of the tree, that is, the root, are exposed to the sun or environment. The source of life of the tree, which is roots, is now exposed, and out in its root matter is white and wet with absorption of water. It is now subjected to the outside world. This is the actual start of the death of the tree as the life source of tree. Its roots are exposed. Now in fourth stanza, then the matter of scorching and choking in the sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. So here in this stanza, scorching and choking, that means the drying up of the tree after being uprooted. Once the tree has been uprooted and it gradually withers and dries up with the action of heat and wind, the trunk will become brown, twist, and will harden. Finally, the tree will die this way. So, here in this poem, we came to know about how to kill the bad things. That cutting down and chopping down is not the solution, but we have to kill it from the root. Like On Killing a Tree is a very sensitive poem. The poem persuades the reader not to destroy trees and equate it with killing a human being. He says that a plant takes sunlight, water, air, and nutrients from the soil to gradually become a huge tree. It develops a strong trunk and gets numerous leaves. Merely cutting the trunk of the tree does not kill it. When a tree is cut, the sap flows out just like a wounded man bleeds. Once the wound heals, new branches and tiny leaves grow from there, which grow into tree. In order to destroy a tree, it has to be uprooted. The roots, which are white in color and are damp due to the moisture that they get from the soil, are hidden in a pit in the earth. These roots are the most sensitive part of the tree as they bind it to the earth. In order to kill the tree, these roots have to be detached from the soil. Once the roots are detached, the tree starts dying. It withers, dries up with the action of the heat and wind, twists, harden, and finally dies. So that's all about this poem.